Hey everyone, so I am Kate, I'm in Australia. I've been watching lots and lots of jewellery mystery bags, mystery jars, which don't seem to exist in Australia. I'm sure someone's got them somewhere, but I haven't found any. So I found bags on eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, and various other places, little boutique-y sort of, like auction houses, but Australian costume jewellery is a lot more expensive than I'm seeing in America. I think purely because there's so many people and so much more history in America, there's a lot more around. So I've tried to get the best stuff that I can. I did get stung the first lot that I bought. I think I paid $100 for a box that was mainly broken, but it wasn't that, it was the smell, the people were smokers, etc. So I'm learning as I'm going along, but I'm going to grab the first bag today. So that is what it looks like, and I am going to go through that and show you what I've got. So I'm not one, I mean, I'll tell you if I would wear it, but I probably wouldn't wear a whole lot of it because I'm older, I don't want costume jewelry too much. But I want to know from you guys, if there's missing stones, would you still want it? If there are broken beads, do you want like a bead jar? Because eventually I'll have this up on, I don't know, Depop or somewhere or other. I am going away, but I wanted to get the first video out. So sorry about all the waffle, but let me know what you'd want me to do with the jars, because I know not many of you can get your hands on them in Australia. So I will be putting them on Depop eventually. So yeah, let me know in the comments. All right, so hair up because I'm hot. So I've just got a few things. I've got 5 things, I think, here that I wanted to show you that were just loose. So there's a ring, which is really pretty. It's quite dirty, but I'm a bit reluctant to clean it too much because I know one of the stones has already been repaired and it is very small. I've got sort of, my ring finger's a size 8, so my hands are probably a bit big, but that's probably a size 5. This chain, which is not sterling silver, I've got probably 2 things that are sterling out of everything that I've got in about 20-25 kilos. It's really pretty, and I have seen the real one of these. This is a designer in London or somewhere that makes these. This is a knockoff, but it's still really cute. Then I have, it's like one of those beaded chains that you dog tags that go on, and it's got a little tiny cute little heart locket that opens, sorry, my nails are so long, so it opens from the side, and then it's big enough to put, I don't know, a couple of headache tablets or something in there, or some kind of medicine if you were desperate for something, who knows. Another ring, this one's really nice. I'd say this is probably a size 8, but it has been repaired on the arm and they haven't done a very good job. I don't know whether you can see clearly there. The stones are covered in the jewellery glue. Still really cute. And then the last thing that was bits hanging around is another one of these. So it's not sterling silver, but it has this really cute little vial on the end of it. So it twists open and then you can potentially put something in there. It's got a little stone. Oh, now this actually does say on the back there, I don't know whether you can see that, it does say 925, but it just doesn't look like silver to me. I mean, it's really shiny, so maybe, but really cute. All right, so I'm going to dig into this bag. Now, the seller has very, very kindly put a lot of this stuff in individual bags. It was really well laid out and easy to see what I was going to get, which I can't remember because I've got so many. So the first thing that's coming out is this pendant. So it is just some kind of pearly stone on a gold tone pendant. I've got a big neck. I really have got a big neck, and I've also got a Guns N' Roses t-shirt, so this doesn't really go. But if you've got a small neck, it's a nice little choker. I used to wear things like that. I wouldn't anymore because I'm just, you know, a bit old. Then there is, ooh, a tangled mess. Okay, I haven't got the patience for the untangling. So there is a long necklace that is on part ribbon and part gold chain, and it's kind of, I was going to say tortoiseshell, but it really isn't. It's just orange tones with some gold beading in. Very statement. I definitely would not wear that. We have, okay, another one of the chainy type necklaces with beads on. This is a real cheapo one, and it's very short. Like these are plastic and really bad quality plastic, but I wouldn't wear it, but someone might. So next is a little bracelet. That's really cute. I'm just seeing what is loose in the bag. There's another, okay, another pendant on a leather toggle. I think it's adjustable, potentially. Brown pendant. It's all right. It's all right. I wouldn't wear it, but someone would probably like that. Okay, so we're getting into some of the bags. So, sorry, I have to undo all these Ziploc bags, but I like the fact that they came like this. So this is a 3-tone necklace on a silver chain. It says love, faith, and hope. That's actually really nice. And if I did wear necklaces, I probably would wear that one. I don't really wear massive amounts of necklaces. Okay, so next up is a gold tone chain. It's fairly short, not a choker, but just a smaller chain with a little sort of gold elongated diamond, I suppose you'd say, like shape, obviously. Then I have got some earrings. So these are really cool. They are huge. If I can get them to... Okay, so there are 2 of them, but I'll just show you the one. So that's really, really pretty. I wouldn't wear it because I've got stupid small earlobes and it would actually probably pull my ears off, but I really like those. Next up, there is a bag of what looks like bracelets. So let's have a quick look. Now, I will get better at this, guys. I realise I waffle and it's going to take up half the video, but these are heavy and cold. So they are definitely, these 2 are definitely some kind of crystal. And those are heavy, they're glass beads, so I like all of those, and I do actually wear a lot of bracelets, so I probably would wear those. That is the next thing. It is a really cute necklace, actually. I do like that. It's got like silver, long silver cylindrical sort of beads, little heart, and some, definitely not real, but some turquoise stone in them. There is a compact little mirror that's included in this lot, so it is just, don't need to see me any more than you have to. Now there is this, which I think is actually a scarf clip. It's really good. I would say this is probably vintage. It's really cute gold tone, and I think your scarf goes through the, it's obviously not a ring. And then next we have a little red wooden beaded bracelet. That's quite cute. Okay, next up we have got, oh, now this I do like. This is really, really stunning. It's a black chain and it has this beautiful pendant on it. I would wear that. I really, really like that kind of sort of gothic look. And I do have a girl in Australia that wants me to find gothic stuff for her, so I do have a bag going. This is a little brooch. Really pretty, just green tone stones. And I wouldn't wear it, but I love it. Okay, so I've had a look and I'm not going to get through the rest of this in the same video, and there are some pearls here that I want to talk about, so I'm going to leave it here. Let me know what you want in terms of jewellery. If you're in Australia, I'm not shipping worldwide, but if you do like it, I will have it on my Depop when I get back, so I won't be around until after the 20th of this month. But let me know what you want me to do with it, whether you want craft jars, you want gold jars, you want gothic jars, silver jars, beads. Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.